So before starting our OBS Studio tutorial, we need to get familiarized with two more interfaces, that is audio mixer and control. That is, audio mixture enables you to give your audio input either through desktop audio or auxiliary. You can set up the properties here by clicking the gear icon, then properties, device. You can select whichever device you want to give as input. I have chosen microphone, so click OK. Now it is set. Next is scene transition, which is not that much important in the case of a video recording. It's already default. Now the important one is the control panel. Here you can start. There is an option for start streaming. If we want to go online, we can click on this option, but before which you have to get linked with Facebook or Twitch or YouTube channel, broadcasting channel. Then the second option is recording. Here it is start recording. I have already done it, so it's showing as stop recording. Next is the studio mode. By clicking it, you can see two parallel windows. One is this preview, the other one is the actual program. Next is the settings. This is the most important part, where you can give the settings according to your preference. Usually the theme is a default setting is dark. It is ideal. The language is default English. Then output, you can show the confirmation dialog when starting streaming. If you want to do that, you can give yes to all these options. Then next is alignment snapping. That is not much required. It is already set as default. The most important thing is studio mode and the output. After our recording, where the recording is being saved, that is very important. So we have to select a recording path for our video. So for which you have to browse, select one, generate file name, and browse the folder where you have to save your video. That should be done priorly. Then the recording quality is high. You can select it according to your preference. Then the video bitrate should be about 5000. It may be 2000 in your system. You can increase it up to 5000, 6000 kbps. Rest all is default. Now coming to the video, you can increase your resolution. The base resolution should be less, and the output resolution should be always more than the base resolution or even equal. That makes your video more beautiful. Now hotkeys. This is used for image slideshow. Once you start with the image slideshow or PowerPoint presentation, we cannot scroll the slides. So if we set it as automatic, it will be moving. But if we want to customize it, we have to set it as manual and select the hotkeys for switching the scenes. So that I will show while doing our image slideshow. So these are the important things to be taken care of before starting with OBS Studio. Another important thing is all the recordings that we have done will be saved in a different file format, and we can see the recordings by clicking the file show recordings, and all the recordings will be appearing here. So this, you can see the file is saved as TS, a different file which cannot be shared. So there is no problem. We can change it by selecting that particular file and remix. There is an option provided by OBS to change our video to MP4 setting. By clicking remix, we can choose the file which we need to convert. That is by selecting the file, you can choose it, open it, then remix. That is the target place is the same here. This, you can see the TS is converted into MP4. Click remix. So it's remixing. Recording is remixed. When it is complete, it shows 100%.